What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? I'm gonna try something today for the first time. Um, I bought the hose kit to be able to take a 20-pound propane bottle and fill up the 1-pound bottles. I have some very detailed instructions on how to do so. They want you to put this in the freezer for 10 to 30 minutes, set the 20-pound bottle out in the sun to offset the pressure difference between the two. I'm not doing that. I don't, the sun's not out. It's not hot. I just want to show you guys that this is empty. That's closed and that's all the way open. Okay. You guys see, yeah. Okay, so we know this is empty. So, let's take off the torch tip. I use quite a bit of propane around here as far as the torch goes. This is a brand new cylinder. I've had it for quite some time. And what they tell you to do is set this upside down. So that's what we've got right now, upside down. They tell you to open after you install the hose. They tell you to open the cylinder. That's what we got here. Alright, that is open. Then they tell you to bleed the air, just like that. And we will install it onto the 1-pound, like so. I'm going to turn the pilot off on my heater. Okay. Now we've got this upside down because propane is a liquid, right? These do not have a wet line, so by inverting the tank, we've basically created a wet line because the liquid will settle to the bottom where the valve is. That is open. Now what we do, we're just going to open this up and you can hear it filling. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I can feel air coming out of that little relief up there. Not sure if that's standard, but what I'm going to do is attempt to get it to seal, just like that. Now they tell you too, you'll have to release the pressure. Like I said, these are just little hemostats. So clamp it on that stem. Still feel a little bit. I don't like that. Hmm. What this is designed to do is prevent you from overfilling, right? Which could be what we do, what I'm doing with here. can feel it getting cold. It's still pissing a little air out right there. Which doesn't seem normal. Oh, there we go. Well, you might have to josh with that just a little bit, get it to seal. I do feel liquid in there. And, you know, they tell you to do 80%. Well, I don't have a way to figure that out. I do know that these are designed to handle the pressure that these are designed to handle, so I'm not concerned about that. Even if I don't get the capacity out of one of these that I would get out of a new store-bought 1-pound tank, the main goal here is to have several of these on hand, and when I run one out, I can just switch to another one, even if it's only 50%, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to shut this off. Open this up to get rid of any pressure that may be left in the hose. Look at there. Oh yeah, that thing feels just as good as the new one. So before I mess around and knock this thing down, I'm gonna make sure there's nothing left in the hose. Just like that. Now, you know, this kit was like, I don't know, 20 bucks maybe, if that. So let's screw this on here, and I can't really show you guys, but this has got, I mean, a lot of liquid in it. So screw this on, get my lighter. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about. Easy peasy. So, I've always wondered how well these things worked, and now I know it works like it should. So there you go. Please like and sub, and we'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.